Hey there, altcoin fans. Thanks for joining me here on Altcoin Radar. Today, guys, I'm going to give you guys my realistic long-term price prediction for Fun Token's FUN token. And as always, guys, hey, if you enjoy the content that I create and if you're new to my channel, then go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, because why not, right? And also, guys, hey, feel free to follow me on Twitter as well with the link in the video description below the video. I like to talk about altcoins and NFTs all day long, so if you're into that sort of thing, hey, go ahead, give me a follow. All right, guys, so this video is going to be mainly for, well, you know what, if you're new to my channel, you know, I'm a long-term holder. I've been holding on to various coins for almost 5 years now, and, you know, I don't look at technical analysis to figure out where the price is going to go. I do something a little different, and you'll see in a little bit, but obviously, you guys, you don't see a magic ball behind me. I'm not a magician, so I can't guarantee you anything, and I can't guarantee that the number is going to go where I think it's going to go. Now, also, guys, so yeah, I will show you exactly how I do things. So, guys, Fun Token is currently trading at, you know, 0.019, almost 0.2 or almost 2 cents. It's currently ranked number 305 on CoinMarketCap. It's got a market cap of $215.9 million right now at the time of filming, and it's got a circulating supply of, well, it's max supply of pretty much almost 11 billion tokens. It's 10.99 billion. So that is what we are going to use. So, guys, as we can see, it's had its ups and downs. It definitely has. Obviously, the last time it went up really high, it looks like it was during the last bull run, or the bull run of 2017, late 2017, early 2018, and it looks like that was the all-time high as well, and that all-time high went to 33 cents, almost 34 cents, so we're going to see if it can potentially go higher than that. Now, guys, Fun Token is one of those projects where, you know, I don't know, let's just see where the market cap was back then. So we'll take 10.89 billion, so let's see here, 1,000 million billion, 10.89 billion, and let's see what the market cap was back then when it hit its all-time high. So, guys, the all-time high was 33.3379, so times 0.3379, so it probably had a market cap of around $3.6 billion, okay? Now, at the time when this happened, I mean, geez, guys, this was a long time ago. This was 4 years ago that happened. So when this happened, you guys, that was 4 years ago. So 4 years ago, a $3.6 billion market cap was pretty darn high. So it was probably pretty up there, pretty far up there in the ranks. Fun Token is one of those projects where it's definitely got its place in the market. It's got to do with, you know, I don't have time to go over. Nobody wants to sit through a 30-minute video, so I'm not going to go through the actual project or anything. I'll save that for a different video. I'll do a review video on it in the future. But Fun Token is one of those, it's pretty much one of those gambling platforms, and it helps developers build gaming and gambling platforms on, you know, on the blockchain. So it definitely has its place. It got up to $3.6 billion at one point in time, and here's my look at it, you guys. If it can do it once, it can definitely do it again. I personally think it could go a little higher than that in the long term, and when I'm talking long term, guys, when I'm talking about holding onto coins long term, I'm not talking 6 to 12 months, okay? I'm talking, you know, 5 years, maybe 7 years from now, maybe even longer than that. You know, I'm talking a very, very long-term outlook here. I don't buy and sell coins for the short term. It's only long-term for me. So, and that's the reason why I make these videos, is because I'm doing this to figure out where I think the price is going to go for myself as well. So, I think it can go to at least a $5 billion market cap at long term. So we're going to see where the price would be if it went up to $5 billion. All right, so we've got 10.89 and we're billion. So we'll take that number. I'm actually going to copy this number. So we got 10.89 billion, and we are going to multiply it by, we'll try 50 cents, okay? Times 0.50. Okay, that's a little higher than where I think it could go. All right, so we'll try a little bit lower number. So we'll try 45 cents, so 0.45. So that's about the number I'm looking for, you guys. $4.9 billion, okay? So for the sake of this video and for the sake of my long-term price prediction, I'm going to go ahead and go with 45 cents because I feel comfortable with that. And that is going to be a huge return on your investment if you invested in it now for the long term. Usually when I start with a long-term bag, I usually start with $10,000. And that's usually pretty small compared to a lot of the other people that I know when they buy long-term bags. When they buy and hold for the long term. So we'll see what it could come out, what a good potential return on your investment would be if you put $10,000 into it for the long term. So let's say right now to this day, you put in $10,000 into this coin. You're going to come out with 0.0, we'll go with 2 cents just in case, okay? Just because it's almost there anyway, so we'll go 2 cents. You're going to come out with 50,000 coins, okay? So you're going to have 50,000 coins today. And then we're going to multiply that by 45 cents because that's the all-time high where I think it's going to go in the future. So times 0.45, it's $22,500, guys. Okay, now I know that might not seem like a lot, but in reality, it actually is, okay? That is it's a very small profit, but it's a very small profit, but to make it that easily, it's simple, okay? You're not holding on to it for a very long time at all, and you're making a lot here. So let me just do that again real quick. So $10,000 divided by 0.02. Okay, no, so I did my math wrong, you guys, okay? I was actually wrong back there, okay? So scratch that. Scratch what we saw before. I was wrong there. I must have went 0.2 for 20 cents instead of 0.02 because that's pretty much where it's at right now. So 0.02. So we're going to actually have 500,000 tokens, okay? Okay, I was going to say that makes the math a little different. Okay, so 500,000 tokens, and we're going to multiply that by 45 cents. Okay, so 45 cents, right? And we're going to come out with, there we go, that's a better number I'm looking for, $225,000. So you would pretty much make $215,000 profit for holding on to this coin for the long term if it reaches a market cap of roughly $5 billion at some point in the future. That is a humongous return on your investment, you guys. This is one of the best return on your investments I've actually seen so far. So I'm going to be thinking about putting some money into a long-term bag here. Again, guys, this is all pure speculation. I do this for my own, for my own personal sake as well. So 225,000, that's really good. Overall, guys, my price prediction for long term here is 45 cents. Market cap with a market cap of roughly $5 billion for the long term, and I'm going to go ahead and stick with that because that's a darn good return on your investment, especially as this is just one coin that you're investing in for the long term as well. I'm into currently right now, you guys, I have long-term positions in about 23 different tokens that I've been holding on to since 2016. So, and I don't plan to sell anything for, gosh, I don't have a reason to have money right now. So, I already have, I already make money in other ways. So, I probably won't sell out on anything for another 5, maybe 10 years. So there's really no point in me selling anything. Just continue to buy more and hold on for the long term. So, this is definitely a good one. Overall, guys, 45 cents. That is my prediction here. So, I guess that pretty much does it for this one, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this one up. But again, guys, hey, before you guys leave, again, don't forget to follow me on Twitter here with the link in the video description below. And also, guys, hey, go ahead and take a minute. If you haven't already, take a minute and go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video on a daily basis. And with that said, you guys, hey, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video or chatting with me here on Twitter or something.